a while, we'll be bringing you cruelty-free makeup tutorials slash video slash review slash... I just feel like it used to be tutorials, but YouTube is changing so much, so now I feel like kind of silly saying we're doing makeup tutorial. Anyway, today's video I'm so excited to do. It's been a hot minute since we've done a video. I've recently been in the UK and in Amsterdam, and then Kaylee was working on set. Anyway, today's video is a haul video, which I hope you guys enjoy. Those are my favorite videos to watch, and definitely declutters, but also... oh yes, that noise and declutters. Kaylee's just like, oh, it's the best. Anyway, today's video is a haul video of the things I got from the UK, and I must say, oh my word, I love the UK. Just, okay, besides the UK and the scenery and it's so green and it's vibey and all of that, I just love the fact that I can order things on Amazon and like Beauty Bay and all these places, and it gets delivered like the next day. Oh my word, in London there was just Chanel, Tom Ford, Charlotte Tilbury, Superdrug, which is like Discount sort of, or Clicks, but way better, and they have Makeup Revolution, and they have Real Techniques, and just a million other brands, and it was just so overwhelming. I literally just did like a little Charlie Chaplin, like little jump excitement when we were walking down that street at all of the makeup things you can get. It was amazing. Anyway, getting into the things that we bought, which is why you are here. So, dun, 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 the Norvina palette! Literally, when I saw this on Instagram, I like messaged Kaylee straight away and I was like, spam, 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 bam, like look at this palette. Because if you know me and you know Enchanting Eyes, which the logo is purple and my whole life is purple and my wedding makeup was purple, and I just always love purple, like this is the palette for me. So super excited to get this. And I've got a few of the other ABH palettes, and they are my go-to jam, like just the best formulas I've ever used. So super excited to get this, and it definitely lives up to the previous formulas. It just blends so nicely, and the pigment is insane, and the colors, I just love them. So this is definitely a hit, and I've just been using this like all the time. Alright, next thing that I got, which I have been wanting for literally I feel like years, but I always prioritize getting other things like so let me just say, so I got the Morphe brushes that I wanted, the gilded range, and oh my word, they're so amazing. But I feel like I've always put off getting brushes because I feel like I already have so many brushes, and it's like buying underwear or socks. You're like, why would I buy that? Yes, I need that, but I can buy a dress that's like a showstopper kind of a thing, you know. So whenever there's been an eyeshadow palette or anything exciting, I've always gone ahead and bought that instead of buying the brushes. But I'm so glad I did, because I feel like this has just changed my eyeshadow game and brought it to the next level. Like, it's never felt so blended and smooth and just like so quick and easy to blend out. And when I've used other brushes and I felt like I'm not feeling like it's just as blended and as smooth of a transition, then I've gone in with one of my Morphe brushes, and I feel like I have just fixed the entire look. The gilded range is a cruelty-free vegan brush. It's all synthetic bristles, and considering all the brushes I have, like Real Techniques, BH Cosmetics, Switch Beauty, those are all synthetic bristles as well. However, these ones, I don't know what they've done to them, or I just feel like you can't even compare. The quality is so good. And I have wanted a big fluffy bronzer brush for the longest time, and I feel like these two, while they may not be huge, they are just, oh, they're amazing. I feel like my bronzer just goes on and it's like buffed out, and it's like, it's just not this precise hard line, and it's just super soft. And then I go in with this brush, which is the Y10, and for my contour, and then I get it super defined for my contour. And so my bronzer and my contour is just so blended, and it's just like, they just, you know, it's like synergy. I'm just throwing in big words here, but they really work well together. Then I got the Y4, which is just your classic blush brush, but I just feel like it's so super soft, and so, like, you can just put on the tiniest bit of blush and just blend it out, especially if you're not a big blush fan, and you can build it up. And I really like this. So this is also something I've been using every day. Then once again, either Morphe or myself messed up and I got 2 of the same brushes, but I'm actually so happy that I did, because they've now become my 2 favorite eyeshadow brushes, and I just use them all the time in conjunction, which is the Y17, and they're just super soft tapered blending brushes. But I just feel like I can get like right in to the back of my crease with these. Then I got the Y18, which is just a normal eyeshadow application brush. I wouldn't say there's anything super special about this. It's just a usual eyeshadow brush. Only thing is that it's a little bit shorter, the length of the hair, so which is really nice. Maybe if you've got really small lid space, this would be a good brush for you. These 2, I can't decide which one I love more. This is the Y22 and the Y20. For your inner corner highlight, the Y22 is amazing because it's just so small and super tapered, and just to get into the middle inner corner of your eye. And I feel like also for highlighting your brow bone or any sort of area where you want small detailing, this brush is amazing. And then the Y20, which I have been using for my lower lash line eyeshadow, and I feel like it's really just transformed that area, because sometimes I feel like the brush is too small or it's too big, and so my eyeshadow either looks like at the bottom, I don't know how to explain, it's like either too precise or too blown out, and I just want to find a good in between so that my eye doesn't look like it's dragging on forever or like too super short. And then lastly, the Y16, which I feel like is super nice for a highlight or for blending out your eyeshadow, especially for the outer corner of your eyeshadow where you want to blow it out and just really get it blended. This really does the job, and I've used this so many times. I would actually love another one of these. Then some more brushes that I got were these Real Techniques brushes, which I know we have Real Techniques in South Africa, but I haven't seen this line of brushes. These actually came in a super cute little metal stand as well, but because I was traveling and I didn't want to take up too much space, I just brought them back like this. Where is it? This brush, which is the Point XXS, I'm guessing means extra small, is very similar to the Y20. It's also perfect for the crease and for your lower lash line, and to get right in there. And it's actually, I haven't seen a brush like this in a while, especially if they come into South Africa. It's a very unique brush, so definitely get your hands on that. Alright, next is the Point XS, which is also another really nice brush for your crease, but also like the other brush that I spoke about from Morphe. I actually have liked this brush a lot when I've already completed my eyeshadow, and then I just use it to really like blend it out and make sure that it just blends to nothing. This brush is the only brush that I'm sort of like I'm still learning to love, because I just feel like it is super big, and I don't know whose eye is really that big, but I feel like for a highlighter this would also be really nice. And then this is the Point XXS, and this is just a super tiny little brush that you can use for an inner corner highlight, to highlight the brow bone, or to do some focused detailing work. So those were the 4 brushes that I picked up as well, and I really love them. But my heart is Morphe now, all the way, not gonna lie. Last but not least, Kaylee picked up the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Anna Nicole. Now, I really wanted to get a Jeffree Star liquid lip because, first of all, just Jeffree Star, I don't need to say anymore. That's like our favorite YouTuber of all time. Don't hate us, because some people love him, hate him, but we love to love him. Kaylee and I go back to the time of MySpace and, you know, the music scene and everything, so we've just always loved it. And Kaylee's got Anna Nicole though, and the shade is so unique, and I really like it, so I'm keen to try it out, and we'll do a little pop-up of the color here, and we'll do a swatch. But Kaylee said that these are the least drying liquid lipstick that she's tried. Super long lasting, and it just feels really nice on the mouth, and the pigment is insane, not streaky, which I find you can find especially with like purples or reds or anything that's not in nude. So I'm definitely keen to pick up one of these. Josh is going to be traveling again soon, I'm going to be traveling, Kaylee's got family coming over, so expect to see lots more haul videos. And I think that's it. Stay tuned for our next video. We've got something very exciting coming up. We've got a super cool giveaway coming. I'm not going to say what, but you're definitely going to want to stay tuned for that. And look at our Instagram page as well, because we will be updating you then. If you like this video, if you enjoy haul videos, and there's anything that you'd like us to check out in terms of local brands, local resellers, any specific videos that you'd like to see from us, then leave a comment below. Give it a like, definitely subscribe, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.